Welcome to Ngobotente Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobotente Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. Putunjan.
Bafo
Sakamukele Pitoli.
sela Loftus.
Yeah.
Abayibiza ngeslaughterhouse.
Yeah, njenge Scotini nibiza ngeslaughterhouse.
Escotini ngohlelekise Escotini.
Yeah.
Ngithe iSundowns ayisuncengwa amabhakaniya. Mayicama ukuthi iSundowns isoyincenga, Sundowns yoncengwa unyoko.
Yeah.
Pirates la eksene emini entambama.
Nazo.
And into engiyikhulumile esithibusi. Abengifrienda kuma lokuzana kuma social network kwemali balandeli beSundowns bethi angiboshwe ngiboshelwe iqiniso iqiniso belithi iSundowns ithengele abalandeli bayo amatikiti base ba bribe uBetway kwathiwa amatikiti is open for only 30 minutes and then after that kwathiwa ticket is sold out. Guess what? Njengasifike la eLoftus besithengiselwa abalandeli beSundowns amatikiti ngama 200 rand la ngaphandle. That's why ubone sesigcina sesiba overtake ngecrowd yethu ngoba ngeke uze overpower umlandeli wePirates lana ke ma rubber start but bokona abalandeli bePirates shake under the attendance. Thank you Orlando Pirates supporters. Noma bakuthiwa ticket sold out singenawo why we managing to force and size la ngempela basithengisela abalandeli beSundowns amatikiti sakwazi ukubukela ibhola sashare nabo. Bafo ngiyababongela abalandeli bePirates ngento bayizini.
Nazo ibhola olubona igame ubona kanjani namhlanje?
Bafo le bhola licishe la ngishayisa ngeheart attack. Serious ngoba bengiexpecte ukuthi ngizobona umbatha ngibone umbule. Because lena bengevuka igame yezingane. Lena bekuyigame obekumele u3 points siwuthola. Bengazi ukuthi sizodlala ngama youngsters. Unfortunately igame ayistarta. Ama youngsters the way ake ethuka ngakona ase agcina enza mistakes. That first goal engenile I can't blame Shane. Because it's a mistake from midfield. Yeah. Luckily because umanga iwinning asiyona engeze uba yakho you can't force. Same guy uthema evakashela ama ancestors wakhe. They score a brilliant goal. Even Sundowns supporters will never believe. Namanje ngizwe kuthiwa ngathi bawuvula case. Ukuthi that goal is not a goal. Because it's a magic goal. Bawuvula case. Yeah. Bawuvula case is unbelievable goal. But ngifuna ukuthi irisk ka coach wethu somehow today imsebenzele. Yes, after that mistake ngibabonile abalandeli lapha le phesheya sebe wave izandla bethu coach aka change. That equalizing goal that stop Orlando Pirates supporters to wave the hands. They are reminding them to support your boys, not to be a coaching side. That's why always sends a show good. Sizosoloko sihlanya behind the poles, sizosoloko sihlanya center line. Yeah, into isizele thina njenganabalandeli uplayer number 12. That's why ngizocela ukuthi mapholo bamfowethu kunama branch abesuka national non-province. Umdantsane branch la eLoftus ulahlekelwe ibhena yawo. Siyacela bafowethu abathathe ibhena yomdantsane Orlando Pirates supporters branch bayibuyise amabhena abafowethu siwa printa ngemali esishisiwe. Akuyona into yokuhlobisa amabhena wethu siyanicela bafowethu kakhulu. And then two aba driver babuyele back to ngizocela kancane Sunday 1 aba driver ngicela mase babuyele emuva ba drive safe because le game kuyigame enkulu kakhulu igame be national okusonjanga ukuthi non province kuma branch Orlando Pirates I'm a witness non province beyila from Cape to Cairo. Yanicela kakhulu ukuthi mabebuyela back to lapho behlala khona ba drive safe. Remember thina bafosa abalandeli sizele stadium for fun. We are risking ngemali zabantu abethu ayo yonke into imali ukuze la sithenga amatikiti e-transport catering all we do with our own because of love of football. That's why kubalekile bafuthi masebewela back sithi ba drive safe uNkulunkulu abe nabo but masanda one nizofika esigodini nizokubona kwabona Saul
Nazo-ke.
waseparate always
Nazo-ke, sawubona.
Ngemaqanda esigodini.
Kanti wahamba